Hello, dear students. Maybe you're healthy and doing well. Salam alaikum, kushet taswaru setmandosi. So, dear students, listen to me and read this sentence for several times. Zakon kuma tawajunisi oda jumle so zalati karki. So that sentence is remain in your mind. Tarsoda jumle stasu kuzin kini. Just listen to me. The first sentence, I am happy. Zakoshalayam. You're my friend. Tazamamalgare. I like school. زه مکتب خوښوم. This is my pen. دا زما قلم ده. The sun is hot. لمر ګرم ده. I can run fast. زه کولی شم تیزه منډه وهم. Look, a cat is here. وګورئ یوه پیشو دلته ده. I have a red bag. زه یو سور بکس لرم. We are in the classroom. موږ په ټولګیو کې یو. Let's sing a song. راځئ یوه سندره زمزمه کړو. I love my teacher. زه خپل ښوونکی یا خپل معلم خوښوم. It is time to play. د لوبې وخت ده. Apples are sweet. مڼې خوږې دي. I can read English. زه کولی شم انګلیسي ولولم. Or the last one is, my name is blank. You can write here your name.